Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and actually before we will proceed, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's completely up to you. Alright, so now let's scroll down and find users and accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our Google account added. So let me begin with, or maybe we'll start with adding new one. So just tap on Add Account and choose Google. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection and verify yourself by entering your screen lock. And be patient because it might take a while to actually connect to the server. So maybe, okay. I just wanted to pause the video, but that's okay. Here in this section, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here, we have to enter the password. All right, and tap on Next. Alright, just give me a second. Alright, so here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we can decide whether we want to use biometrics to verify purchases, so it's up to you. And here, as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, if you'd like to remove it, simply tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. Tap on Remove Account. If you're removing the second or the first added, it will take a while because you need to verify yourself, etc., etc. But no worries, as you can see, it is really, really easy. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.